Well, here we are with a pretty day, pretty weekend really, on Two Oaks Farmstead, and we're trying to finish up a few projects that we have recently begun. I'm going to show you kind of one of them that we're working on right now. We've been working on doing a water collection system for around our greenhouse, and this few days ago, or this past weekend or something, we got the gutters up on the front and back of the greenhouse, and then we used right there, you see above my head there, my husband used downspout actually to go across from the front to the back, and he's about to connect it in to the downspout on the back. So it was got a little bit of a fall coming down to make sure it all drains and we are putting it in that, making it go to that right there. He is currently working on that portion right there. That's where the water hose will hook up to it to be able to use this to water the garden and that kind of thing. We've already done one of these. You can check back on one of our previous posts or videos, and we did a water collection tower that was an overflow out of our natural pool. But this one is to be able to harvest the rainwater that hits the greenhouse. That's just one of many projects we're working on this weekend. I will show you some more here in a bit.